In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a member from a board in Trello quickly and correctly. Whether you're managing a team project, cleaning up access, or simply removing someone who no longer needs to collaborate on a board, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Trello makes it simple, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little confusing knowing exactly where to click. So I'll show you everything from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Trello tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Trello account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard where you can see all of your workspaces and boards. From here, navigate to the specific workspace where your board is located if you're not already inside it. Next, find and click on the board that contains the member you want to remove. This will open the board and display all of your lists, cards, and current members who have access. Once you're inside the correct board, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Share button. It's located near the member avatars, those small circular profile icons of everyone who currently has access to the board. Go ahead and click on the Share button. When you click Share, a panel will open that shows all current board members and their permission levels. This is where you can invite new members, copy the board link, manage access settings, and most importantly, remove existing members. Now, scroll through the list and locate the person you want to remove from the board. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct person, especially if you have multiple team members with similar names. Once you've found the right person, look to the right of their name. You'll see a drop-down menu that shows their current role, such as admin, normal, or observer. Go ahead and click on that drop-down menu next to their name. After clicking the drop-down, you'll see several options related to their access. One of those options will say Remove from Board. Go ahead and click on Remove from Board. As soon as you select that option, Trello will display a confirmation dialog. This is just to make sure you don't accidentally remove someone. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the Remove button in the confirmation window. And that's it. The member will immediately lose access to the board. They will no longer be able to view cards, make edits, or interact with any content inside that board. It's important to note that removing someone from a board does not remove them from the entire workspace. It only removes their access to that specific board. If you need to remove them from the entire workspace, that's a separate process inside the workspace settings. Also, keep in mind that only board admins have permission to remove members. If you don't see the option to remove someone, it likely means you don't have admin rights on that board. In that case, you'll need to contact a board admin to make the change for you. Managing board access regularly is a good habit, especially for team security and organization. Removing members who no longer need access helps keep your projects clean and ensure sensitive information stays protected. So just to quickly recap, open Trello, go to your board, click the Share button in the top right corner, find the member, click the drop-down next to their name, choose Remove from Board, and confirm by clicking Remove. Simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, project management guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.